Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes. Anyway, I have some king prawn, large prawn. Going to be a nice curry with some naan bread and sauce and you know what I mean. Yeah. Anyway, I want to introduce you to this new knife which I've been using. It's one of the best in the world. I have at least probably about 50 of them left, and I never introduced it before, so I just want to make you guys can see. Good for peeling vegetable, cutting fruits and all these things. Very handy, very sharp. It's very unique, just ready to do whatever you want to do with it. Alright, it's on my website, link is in the description box. Go over, order your knife, we ship it straight to you, or your garlic press. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch this video. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipes in the world, and that's why we are here to share our love, alright, and our gratitude. Stay tuned, go over to my Instagram and my Facebook page, and please support Chef Ricardo, guys. Alright, here it is, new knife from Chef Ricardo. Order your knife, we ship it to you. The link is in the description box. Chef Ricardo cooking. Go to my website. Alright, nice one, guys. So first thing what we're going to do is get some potato and carrot ready. Alright, so this is a little knife which I'm talking about. Look at this. Alright, yeah, you know what I mean, this is exactly what you want to use with it. And not only that, it's so easy to sharpen. Alright, so if you are in the kitchen and you know what I mean, you don't want to use a big knife, you know what I mean, to peel any little thing, look, it's so sharp and handy, you know what I mean. Look at this, look how I cut it nicely. Alright, yeah man, that's exactly what we're talking about. Yeah, it's so sharp. Wow, it's like a blade, not even a razor blade, not so sharp. Yeah man, I hate this. Well, you have to be careful, you know, cut yourself. Wow. Look how it run through the potato. Look how easy. So we got 2 potatoes. We don't want to do, should we do, how much should we do? 3? Yeah, I think 3 potatoes will be enough. Alright. You see that, guys? Look good enough. Look how it's just so nice. I think this is one of the best knives we have so far. Yeah. Nice one. Look at the carrot. If you don't want to use your peeler, look at this. It just running through it. Yeah, it's so easy to peel things. Yeah man, I hate this in a look. Wow, look at, you have to just know how you're using the knife. You start to that's the only thing I don't like with the sharp knife, you know. You have to be careful with them. If you don't want to use your carrot peeler, yeah, you can just simple use a little sharp knife. Yeah man, I got them on the website. Wow, that is so sharp. The knife made me so scared already. No, I don't was scared of the knife, man. My name is Chef Ricardo. Look at this. Right, this is amazing. See that? What? Me personally, I like to use the bad boy of ISO for this. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nice one. So, yeah. This is the carrot and the potato. What I'm gonna do is just wash them off, put a little bit of water and pre-boil them to add to the curry sauce. So I'm gonna make now. Alright, so stay tuned. Nice one. So here it is. Alright, now that's gonna go on the stove. This is some rice which I'm going to be cooking. Alright, so I'm gonna boil off and now I'm gonna make some curry sauce. Alright, so stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So got my medium sized pot right here. I'm gonna spray some coconut oil in it. You can use whatever oil you like to use, but I'm just gonna be adding some coconut oil in it. Alright, instead of natural oil. Now, so the potato and the carrot is cooking. That's the white onion I've been using. Garlic. All right. That's one. The rice cooking. Spring onion. I got some leek. All right, now is I'm using using a teaspoon. I don't know why, but a large teaspoon of curry powder. A little bit more. Large teaspoon, alright? Gonna put a teaspoon of all-purpose season. This is some fish oil. Really stink. Yes. Coriander. Don't worry about this one. This is a Chef Ricardo dry herbs. Because we're not using no oil, as you can see. Gonna put a bay leaf in it. Yeah, why not? Put some natural blending seasoning. Alright, here it is. Just tip a little bit of water, free it up, you know. A bit of my Chef Ricardo natural jerk seasoner. Put a little bit in it, you know what I mean? Yeah, here it is. Look at it. So it look nice. Yeah. This one is on my YouTube channel. That look nice. Yeah. Put a little bit of ginger powder because I don't have a fresh ginger. Get the vegetable. Vegetable. Ah, smell amazing. Little bit of black pepper. One vegetable stock. That looks really good. Let's put the vegetable stock water in it. A little bit more liquid. Look wicked. Cover it. Allow it to go and cook for another good 15 minutes. Stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So basically, look at this. Honestly, I didn't do nothing to it. I just allow it, look it, take your time and cook them. This prawn is pre-cooked prawn, alright? I'm already cooked and ready. So this one is simple. Mix it in it and then you're pretty good to go. Nice one. So what we're gonna do now is share it up because you don't want to overcook the prawn, them guys. Honestly, it's one of the biggest mistakes you would be making. Let's share it. Nice one. So it's gonna see if I share it up now, and we are good to go. Look at this. That's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Alright? Yeah, that's it, guys. Lovely and nice and simple.